What if we took the most sensible car in the world and put it against a masterpiece of Italian speed? Meet the 2024 Toyota Corolla. It has a 2.0-liter engine, great fuel economy, and the soul of a dependable accountant. It's the car that will probably outlive the human race. And over here, we have the Ferrari SF90. It costs more than my house, my neighbor's house, and probably the entire street we live on. 1,000 meters, straight line. Place your bets now. On paper, this is a slaughter. The Ferrari pushes nearly 1,000 horsepower. The Corolla? It has 169. It's like pitting a fighter jet against a very motivated toaster. But wait, the Corolla has a secret weapon, the audacity. Think about it. If the Ferrari hits a single pebble at 200 miles per hour, the repair bill is $50,000. If the Corolla hits a literal brick wall, you just buff it out with a damp paper towel and drive to work. One is a fragile diamond. The other is a brick that refuses to die. Imagine they are at the starting line. 3, 2, 1, go. The Ferrari vanishes instantly, leaving a trail of fire. The Corolla is still figuring out that the light turned green. But why does the Ferrari win? Because physics is a bully. The Ferrari has a much higher power-to-weight ratio. While the Corolla is struggling against wind resistance, or drag, the Ferrari's aerodynamics are literally sucking it into the pavement to keep it from flying away. In 1,000-meter sprint, the Ferrari will finish in about 18 seconds. The Corolla? Well, it will get there eventually, probably around the 30-second mark. But hey, the Corolla driver can listen to a whole podcast episode while waiting to reach the finish line.